So that's the existing pipe, 419 Riverside Drive, Oakville. So as we can see, this pipe was distorted, and also this pipe was broken by the tree roots, because there is a neighbor tree, and there is a stump right here. It was cut down, but stump was not removed. So there was a clear need to do the full line replacement. As you can see, it's a bad bitumized pipe, completely out of order, and it was so much blocked that there was no way to clear the blockage. We could not clear the blockage. We had to excavate the hole in the middle, where is the machine right now, then another hole at the city property, and then another hole inside, and then by pipe bursting we installed a new pipe as per plumbing code.